Most AI agent demos use toy data. Today, an agent that connects to a real Postgres database and answers business questions in plain English. 40 lines of Python with safety. I'm vast. 17 years in data and AI distilled. This stack, 4 pieces. The LLM does the reasoning. Tools let it do things. Run SQL, look up schema. Postgres is your real database, accessed through a read-only role. Guardrails, allow lists, cost caps, prompt injection, defense, wrap everything. No fancy framework needed. Step 1. The system prompt. The single most important trick. Put your schema in the system prompt. Table names, column names, types. Now the LLM is grounded. Add the rules. Select only, row limits, no cross-database joins. Most schema-aware agents you'll build need fewer than 10 lines of system prompt. Step 2. The Run SQL tool. This is where safety lies. 3 checks before any query runs. 1. Is it select only? Parse the query. Reject anything else. 2. Estimated cost. Refuse anything that scans more than 1,000,000 rows. 3. Execute on a read-only Postgres role. The LLM cannot break what it cannot reach. Step 3. The agent loop. Send a user question. The LLM responds either with text or with tool calls. If it's tool calls, run them. Append the results to the conversation. Loop again. When the LLM stops calling tools, it has an answer with real data. That's it. 12 lines of orchestration. Step 4. A live walkthrough. User asks, how many users churned last month? The LLM reasons. I need a select from users where churned is true and churn date is in May. It calls run SQL. The tool returns 1,247. The LLM phrases it as a sentence. Plain English in, numbers and prose out. Step 5. And this is the step most teams skip. Before you point this at production, read-only role, SQL parser blocking non-select, cost cap and timeout per query. Audit log of every query and who triggered it, and an allow list of tables. The system prompt alone is not security. It will leak. Defense in depth. Subscribe to Data and at I with Tomorrow, merge SQL's most underrated feature, 60 seconds.